Let's take a look at the weather now, and it is going to get warmer, isn't it, Graham?
Here it is, Jeremy. We're going to go from cold this weekend to very hot conditions by the middle of next week. In fact, parts of the northwest of the state pushing into the mid-40s. But yesterday, Bega saw a maximum of 16.7. That was its lowest this late in the season. For Sydney, though, these temperatures don't look too bad, but they were much colder once those showers and storms moved through. Now, across the remainder of the state, we saw widespread showers and rain, some isolated thunderstorms around the central coast all the way down to the southern border. And we saw falls generally around about 25 to 50 millimetres through that band. Now, a severe weather warning for damaging winds is still current for parts of the Sydney and Illawarra coast. And a low that's triggering today's rainfall will continue to move away from the coast, although we will see a high begin to extend and stabilise the atmosphere into the state. The position of the high, well south of New South Wales, though, will maintain those milder southerly winds until early next week, when we see substantially warmer air moving into the state. Now, areas of showers are possible about the east and northern coast, but Darwin is actually the only expected wet capital. We have got some hazardous surf. This is expected anywhere south of Smoky Cape tomorrow, with cool and fresh to strong southerly winds for the central and southern coast and ranges. Now, mostly sunny day, although some cloud and very isolated showers possible in the afternoon about central parts of the Tableland and Hunter Coast. We've got strong winds anywhere south of Woolleye. They'll ease below gale force on Hunter waters by the evening. Partly cloudy but mostly dry for the central and southern Tablelands. Isolated showers along the coastal districts in the afternoon about the Snowies. Strong to gale force winds are also expected to continue on the waters. Mostly sunny with moderate to fresh southerly winds over the inland and generally below average maximums. Now, gale force winds are expected on Sydney's coastal waters, should be mostly in the morning. Our lows are going to range from 12 to 15 and our tops just reaching 19 to 23. Partly cloudy but dry. That's just apart from a very isolated shower along the coastal fringe and a cool, fresh southerly wind. And we do see drier conditions as we move through the remainder of the weekend, all the way through to Wednesday when we see a peak in the heat, Jeremy.
Graham, thank you. That's the very latest ABC News. From all of us, thanks for your company. Have a good evening.